Hello folks, how you going? Sky Pilot here. Just a quick update guys, just letting you know that if you haven't already joined in my giveaway, jump to the video right there up on the screen. There's about a week to go. I have changed the questions for the competition just to stop people from copying, so it's all nice and fair and everyone hunts down the answers for themselves. So be sure to check out those new questions. And of course, as explained in that video, if you've already entered and you've already supplied an answer, then you are good to go, all done. You do not need to do anything. The Meteor65, full of all bits and pieces. The Beta FPV VR02 goggles are up for grabs. And of course, the super popular Beta FPV LiteRadio 2 SE. Everything is fairly much brand new in original packaging, and the lucky winner is going to receive all 3 items. Jump on board, check out that giveaway video, supply me with your answers as directed to in that video, and good luck. I'll be posting the video on the draw date, which is also listed in the description of my giveaway video, so keep an eye on that. I'll be posting a video which shows the actual comment selector draw, which is going to be done at random from a YouTube competition selector online. So good luck everyone again. Best of luck to everybody. I hope you find the time to join in. Everybody is in the running to win this cool little setup. See you again on prize day, or again very soon. Bye for now.